We are on the N12 now, just next to Mpumalanga. That is where the police officers and other law enforcers are engaging with motorists, trying by all means that they have to abide by the law. We still have the provincial deputy police commissioner of the South African Police Service, General Fred Kekana, who will also be able to explain to us more now on the arrest thereof. General, thank you very much for your time. On our previous engagement, you said there were no arrests, but I'm told now that there are those who have been arrested. They have trespassed. What happened?
No, they were arrested at entry. At entry, by that time, we made 18 undocumented arrests. And you asked which nationality? It was Malawians, Mozambicans, Lesotho nationals, etc. They at N12 and several taxi or road traffic related offenses for vehicles. And now here it's massive. I think you saw from almost 5 kilometer long range of roadblock where vehicles are here. This one now we are at the road to Mpumalanga. Just within few kilometers here will be at Mpumalanga. That side it was the route to Durban and Free State. This one of Mpumalanga in the Ekurhuleni district is massive. We managed to arrest 39 undocumented. We managed to arrest 19 drunken drivers, 7 for drugs, and the detectives in this area made a arrest and operation. They made 246 arrests, of which 33 of them were gender-based violence arrests. That is good. And at this roadblock, 2 minibus taxis were discontinued for being unroadworthy, for being moving coffins to our people who are their clients, and it's dangerous. We also in this area, early this morning, the team, 9 o'clock, were following up information from yesterday. At Slovak Park, there is an informal settlement just here across. They managed to arrest 1 suspect in his possession through intelligence and the team that were operational from Springs. They managed to get 6 unlicensed firearms. 3 of them were shotguns, 2 were pistols, 1 was a revolver. And on top of that, the same guy had a licensed firearm, which means we found him in possession of 7 firearms, of which is going to be charged for possession of unlicensed firearms. And this one, the 7th one, he didn't have a safe at that informal settlement. With the firearm that is licensed, we are going to conduct Section 102 inquiry to determine his fitness to possess a firearm. And he's a security officer. It's a 41-year-old male, a South African security officer. That's what happened. And from the previous incident I reported in Ekurhuleni last night, they managed to arrest a deputy principal who hired hitmen to go and rob and kill the principal of a private school in Tembisa. And that's the unfortunate situation because as colleagues, we expect that you respect each other and not plan hits or take lives of other people. But in this case, we arrested the deputy principal for the murder of a principal who was found with his wife and children. A 61-year-old man has been arrested, and the deputy principal is a 50-year-old man.
One would ask about this kind of roadblocks where you are trying by all means to enforce law. What must they do, drivers, in order to abide by the law? They need to have their driver's licenses, and what else?
Firstly, yeah, you can't drive in the Republic without having a valid driver's license. Secondly, the vehicle you drive must be roadworthy. And roadworthy by all means, the lights must be working, the brakes must be working, the vehicle mechanically must be in good condition, because one of the things that happen nowadays, the poor family got stuck across the road because of the vehicle that is unserviced. they end up being victims of robberies and even worse, other criminal activities. And the tires of those vehicles nowadays, as you can note, it's a rainy season. Therefore, vehicles must be in such condition that they can endure the challenges on the road in rainy situations.